Hello and welcome to another episode of Worst Techie. Today's subject is Redshift. Amazon Redshift is a fully managed cloud-based petabyte-scale data warehouse service by Amazon Web Services (AWS). It is an efficient solution to collect and store all your data and enables you to analyze it using various business intelligence tools to acquire new insights for your business and customers. Let's discuss about some of the advantages of Amazon Redshift. Exceptionally fast. Redshift is very fast when it comes to loading data and querying it for analytical and reporting purposes. Redshift has massively parallel processing (MPP) architecture which allows you to load data at blazing fast speed. In addition, using this architecture, Redshift distributes and parallelize your queries across multiple nodes. Redshift gives you an option to use dense compute nodes which are SSD-based data warehouses. Using this you can run most complex queries in very less time. High performance. As discussed in the previous point, Redshift gains high performance using massive parallelism, efficient data compression, query optimization, and distribution. MPP enables Redshift to parallelize data loading, backup and restore operation. Furthermore, queries that you execute get distributed across multiple nodes. Redshift is a columnar storage database which is optimized for huge and repetitive type of data. Using columnar storage reduces the I/O operations on disk drastically, improving performance as a result. Redshift gives you an option to define column-based encoding for data compression. If not specified by the user, Redshift automatically assigns compression encoding. Data compression helps in reducing memory footprint and significantly improves the I/O speed. To read more about it. Horizontally scalable. Scalability is a very crucial point for any data warehousing solution and Redshift does pretty well job in that. Redshift is horizontally scalable. Whenever you need to increase the storage or need it to run faster, just add more nodes using AWS console or cluster API and it will upscale immediately. During this process, your existing cluster will remain available for red operations so your application stays uninterrupted. During the scaling operation, Redshift moves data parallelly between compute nodes of old and new clusters, therefore enabling the transition to complete smoothly and as quickly as possible. Massive storage capacity. As expected from a data warehousing solution, Redshift provides massive storage capacity. A basic setup can give you a petabyte range of data storage. In addition, Redshift gives you an option to choose dense storage type of compute nodes which can provide large storage space using hard disk drives for a very low price. You can further increase the storage by adding more nodes to your cluster and it can go well beyond petabyte of data range. Attractive and transparent pricing. Pricing is a very strong point in favor of Redshift. It is considerably cheaper than alternatives or an on-premise solution. Redshift has two pricing models, pay-as-you-go and reserved instance. Hence this gives you the flexibility to categorize this expense as an operational expense or capital expense. If your use case requires more data storage, then with 3 years reserved instance dense storage plan, effective price per terabyte per year can be as low as $935. Comparing this to traditional on-premise storage, which roughly costs around $19,000 $25,000 per terabyte, Redshift is significantly cheaper. SQL interface. Redshift query engine is based on PowerSQL which has the same interface as PostgreSQL. If you are already familiar with SQL, you don't need to learn a lot of new text to start using query module of Redshift. Since Redshift uses SQL, it works with existing Postgres JDBC or DBC drivers, readily connecting to most of the business intelligence tools. AWS ecosystem. Many businesses are running their infrastructure on AWS already, EC2 for servers, S3 for long-term storage, RDS for database, and this number is constantly increasing. Redshift works very well if the rest of your infra is already on AWS and you get the benefit of data locality and cost of data transport is comparatively low. For a lot of businesses, S3 has become the de facto destination for cloud storage. Since Redshift is virtually co-located with S3 and it can access formatted data on S3 with single copy command. When loading or dumping data on S3, Redshift uses massive parallel processing which can move data at a very fast speed. Security. Amazon Redshift comes packed with various security features. There are options like VPC for network isolation, various ways to handle access control, data encryption etc. Data encryption option is available at multiple places in Redshift. To encrypt data stored in your cluster, you can enable cluster encryption at the time of launching the cluster. Also, to encrypt data in transit, you can enable SSL encryption. When loading data from S3, Redshift allows you to use either server-side encryption or client-side encryption. Finally, at the time of loading data, S3 or Redshift copy command handles the decryption respectively. Amazon Redshift clusters can be launched inside your infrastructure virtual private cloud (VPC). Hence, you can define VPC security groups to restrict inbound or outbound access to your Redshift clusters. Using the robust access control system of AWS, you can grant privilege to specific users or maintain access on specific database level. Additionally, you can even define users and groups to have access to specific data in tables. Hope this short video helped you to create an idea about Redshift. Like, share and subscribe my channel for everyday new technical video. Thank you.